Hey everyone, on this Mondays with Megan, I have a huge time saver for you. It's a keyboard shortcut. So I'm sure most of you have some apps that are saved to your taskbar. Probably common ones that you use. I'm guessing Outlook or whatever you use for email is going to be down there, along with your other common ones that you use in a day. By clicking Windows 1, you are opening the first application that you have saved to your taskbar. So if it's Outlook, Outlook will open. If you click Windows and then the number 2, it'll open the second application that you have saved to your taskbar. Maybe it's Teams, maybe it's something custom to your business, but this is a super easy way to open up and launch the applications that we already know you're using a lot in your day. This can be used all the way up to Windows 10. So I hope this saves you guys a ton of time. It's a great keyboard shortcut again. For more information, subscribe to the YouTube channel and always feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.